Hi everyone, it's Jennifer in Pusheen. And today I have for you yarn I got from Bumblebee Fiber Acres. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to grab out a couple of them here. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay, this is for the month of June, and it is the Tolkien Club and the Stephen King Yarn Club. So I will show you the Tolkien one. So first off, we have the Tour de Tolkien, and it is called the Grey Havens, and there it is. That's the card, and that is the inspiration. And here is the yarn they dyed up for the Grey Havens. And you can see some of the colors in there. And this is the Grey Havens right here. And they come with a, there we go. They come with a button. And it is the Grey Havens. It is on their marshmallow worsted, 100% superwash rambouillet wool. It is worsted weight. It is 196 yards, and it is Bumblebee Acres Fiber Farm, and they're bumblebeeacres.com. So this was the Tour de Tolkien, the Grey Havens. It is super squishy. And the second one that I got is the Stephen King Yarn Club, and this is Baby Can You Dig Your Man, and there it is. And this is the button for the inspiration. It's Larry Underwood, Baby Can You Dig Your Man, and here's the yarn. You can see a little bit of blues in there and all the browns. This reminds me of another YouTuber with all the browns in there. I wonder if y'all know who. I know who this reminds me of, with all those browns in there. And this is Baby Can You Dig Your Man, Stephen King Marshmallow Worsted, 100% superwash rambouillet wool, worsted weight 196 yards. And again, it is from Bumblebee Acres Fiber Farm. And along with that, along with both of these skeins of yarn, there's a little packet. And in the packet, they sent a stash tea for English breakfast. I sent a sticker. It says the road goes ever on and on. And another one that says Tour de Tolkien. And it's got the whole gang. So that's really cool. I like the stickers. And the tea, that's really nice. So that suits my fancy there. And I actually got 2 of the brown, and I got doubles on both, so I got plenty of yardage, with each one being 196 yards. So that's a lot of yardage. That is just shy of 800 yards. So that's pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the beautiful yarn from Bumblebee Acres. You know, they're really very beautiful yarns and super squishy. So I hope you enjoyed seeing that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.